Hey everybody, happy 10th anniversary to our Paragon family. I thought today I would give you my awesome recipe for plantain pancakes, which have been my go-to for either pre-race meal, pre-long run, or even post-long run. They're a great recovery meal. So they're super simple to make and they're absolutely delicious. So you need a half of a plantain. You could substitute a banana, or you could even use, if you have a baked sweet potato lying around, you could use some sweet potato and switch it up with some pumpkin pie spice or something like that. You need 2 eggs, apple cider vinegar, baking soda, coconut milk, vanilla, cinnamon, and coconut flour. And you can really mix this up however you want. I've actually made them savory too, and they came out great, and put an egg over the top. So it's a super versatile recipe. So you take your half a plantain, super simple, just peel it here. This one is not super ripe, which doesn't really matter. Plantains are basically like a starchier banana. So that's how they work. They work really well on recipes like this because it gives your pancake like a little bit more substantial feel than a banana, but you could still use a banana. So just peel that off. I just slice it up in my little blender cup. Like so. 2 eggs. Boom. Some coconut milk. Tablespoon of coconut milk. Coconut flour. We'll do the same. It's a tablespoon of that, which makes it easy if you're just trying to remember it. You're gonna do a half a teaspoon of baking soda. I will forewarn you, I have exploded this in the kitchen before with a fresh baking soda, so you could drop it to 1/4 if you're using like a brand new box. Teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. This is just like our leavening agent in the pancake. I like to use a teaspoon of vanilla. And like I said, when I switched it up for like a savory pancake, you can use like chili powder, garlic powder, onion powder, and then do like egg and bacon on top, which is super yummy too. A bit of cinnamon. Just throw your blender cap on. You'll blend that all up. Give it a good whirl. That's probably good. Comes out as like a pretty thinly consistent batter. You'll pop it on your griddle over there. And then this morning, I have one already done for you guys. I just topped mine with berries, peanut butter, a little bit of granola, and then you can go out and tackle any adventure that you might have going on that day. Have a good one, guys. Hope you enjoyed the tip.